Hey everyone, okay, so today, spring favorites video. So we've got some amazing products to get through in this video. So we just jump in and make a start. Now the INKEY List offers premium ingredients with complex formulations without the price tag. That's why they're so popular. And the core range of the INKEY List products are all under £10. And then if you look at the new innovation of products with next generation ingredients, they're all under £15. That's so everybody has the option of picking something that works within their budget, and skincare should be affordable to everybody, and skincare should work. And this range offers ingredients that are proven to work within a price bracket that fits almost everyone's budget. So I'm going to jump in and share with you a few truly phenomenal products. So polyglutamic acid can hold 4 times the amount of water as hyaluronic acid, which FYI, hyaluronic acid can hold 1,000 times its weight. So that's a lot of hydration for the skin. So if you have dry skin or dehydrated skin, or you're looking for the perfect base for your makeup, this comes in handy because you get an instant plumping effect to the skin and an instant smoothing effect to the skin, which means makeup glides over it, and there is no pilling with this formula either. So whether you're using a liquid foundation, a cream, a powder, a mineral, whatever you're using, you have the assurance that this will go on smoothly without pilling or just feeling odd on the skin. And you can use this day or night as well. And it really does make the perfect makeup base because of that plumping effect and the smoothing of it. Things just glide over the skin so incredibly smoothly. And it's just an exquisite formula. I love to use this at night because you are guaranteed to wake up in the morning with the softest skin ever. Heptapeptide. So think of this as an Instagram filter without the filter. You don't need the filter with this. There's an instant blurring effect on the skin, and it is incredible to see it. So this makes it the most amazing base for your foundation, your concealer, or on your no makeup days where you just want to look better. Popping down the shops, put this on, you'll look way better than without. It is incredible formula, and there's a lot of formulas out there that claim to have this blurring effect to the skin, but they don't really ever live up to the claims. This product really does live up to its blurring claims. It is phenomenal. It's also the first of its kind peptide, and it has a patented formula of 7 different types of peptides as well. Now, if you just move the incredible blurring capacity of this formula aside, and I know you don't want to, and why would you, but if we just move it aside just for one moment, this formula also contains an incredible compound of anti-aging ingredients that have been clinically proven to visibly reduce the appearance of thinning skin and lines and wrinkles. So you've got this incredible formula that does this amazing job of blurring the skin and making it look just so much better. But it's also got this incredible compound of anti-aging ingredients that has clinically proven benefits as well. So you've got this wonderful formula all in one with a cosmetic benefit and the anti-aging benefits as well. Perfection. Next up, the multibiotic, and this is quite a unique formula, and one thing worth mentioning with this formula and with the others is that the texture of these is really, really beautiful, and that goes a long way, I think, because you want to apply products that feel nice to the skin as well. But as I mentioned, this is quite a unique product. This helps the good bacteria to defend your skin's natural immune system, and is also great for breakouts because it helps prevent breakouts by allowing the skin's natural ecosystem to clean itself. So in that regard, with this product, it is an incredibly unique product, and one that I personally have not seen before from another skincare line that offers these kind of benefits. And I think when you combine the products that I've mentioned here, you've got this really quite advanced system of skincare products that not only give you cosmetic benefits, whether it's the blurring, but they give you the other benefits, the anti-aging benefits, the incredibly intense hydration benefits, as well as a probiotic benefit as well if you combine these ones. So it's pretty spot on. Quick mention of the salicylic acid cleanser, which is amazing. You get 150 mils in here. Morning and night you can use it, and it also contains, as mentioned on the label, salicylic acid. So you're cleansing your skin, but you're getting some additional benefits of exfoliation as well, which I really, really love. And for the price, 150 mils, absolute bargain. So there you go, that's my INKEY favorites, absolutely amazing. And all the information, of course, with all products is down there in the description bar. Right, skincare, done, makeup time. Sean Richards, London. So, I got 3 palettes here. I've got the Ether palette, or Ether palette. I have the Essence palette. And I have the Radiance palette. Let me explain these to you as quickly as I can. These two are foundation palettes. So for the majority of work I would do, these two would cover my bases. There are other colors. I'm going to talk to you about that in a second. What makes this so unique from every other palette I have ever tried foundation is that these are self-setting. These will look how bright it is in here suddenly. These will self-set. If applied neat, and you can apply them neat, you don't need to powder them. It is like cement on the skin. They don't move. I'm going to pop a little bit on my skin, on the back of my hand, just to show you. There it is. We're just going to let that set for a second. Let me wipe it off. Okay, so they're self-setting. They don't move, they don't budge. As you start to sweat and move and the day goes on, they go nowhere. It is incredible. They can also be sheared down if you want a sheerer, dreamy look. Just use some moisturizer, shear them down. These can also be sprayed with alcohol and used as a paint. It is so multifaceted formula. I've never seen a product like it before. Now, if you don't know who Sean Richards is, Google her. Probably the biggest makeup artist working on film now, and I believe, and I might be wrong with this, but I believe these palettes were created while she was working on Black Panther, and this is where the other palettes come in. There are other palettes in this range. There is one called Melanin, and this palette, the Melanin Palette, is so deep. So anybody with really deep skin tones, that palette will see you through. I have never seen colors so deep before in foundations. When I saw it, I was like, because I'd never seen anything like it before. It is incredible. So there's that formula on the back of my hand. Watch. It doesn't move. It doesn't move. Look. That's it on your skin. Now I totally get that not everybody needs to have all these shades, so I get that. But if you do need them, nothing. Amazing. Also, this is a really good palette. This can be used as lip or cheek. And also, these can be used as eyes as well. You can do these on your eyes, eyebrows. This is a lip and cheek. What's really good about this is this color here is really, really nice. Is once you've done your foundation with this, it can be quite matte. You can really lightly brush this and it goes on transparent over the high points of the face, and you've suddenly got a dewy look that isn't going anywhere. Amazing. Speaking of really good products, Urban Decay, hello, Reloaded. Let's have a look. Ta-da! There we go. I think this is an incredibly wearable bunch of products. In terms of eyeshadows, really wearable. You can never go wrong with browns. You've got this gorgeous sort of peachy sort of sorbet color here. You've got your matte and some neutrals to add a bit of sparkle to it. Pigmentation wise is great, blendability is great. There's a little bit of fallout with this formula, but it's not a big deal if you're careful, or if you're like me, you do eyes first or use shadow shields, which I now don't live without. It is absolutely great. And we're talking an incredible amount of pigment in these eyeshadows. Let me brush it next to that one. And you can see there, as I just did that, they blend really, really well, which is just phenomenal. There you go, that's it, that's my favorites for spring. Now all the information, as I mentioned, is right down there in the description bar. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon, bye bye.